people, so by the time this vlog goes up, as many of you should know, something happened. Yeah, man, something went wrong. I mean, after a while, you know, it was something bound to happen because the car basically made way too much for what it was supposed to make, so something was supposed to give way. But that wasn't really the real case, what happened. So I'm gonna take it for a walk around and see what's going on right now. So I'm gonna start from opening the bonnet. Tell me if you're ready, people. Ready?
Damn!
So what happened here?
Alright, so basically what happened now, I know it looks like chaos. So this is a very happy engine. Well, it was a very happy engine. It's now laid to rest. So what happened was that I can see the vlog still because I can myself post it because in a day stuff like this happen to everybody. But would I do an interview with franchise? Yeah, and during that interview would I do a nitrous pull. But what happened now is the injector for this cylinder, the injector wire came off, so you know, so the car lean out, and as a result, piston, gauge pin, piston, and if you look right here, alright, so you see this nice pretty hole right here, so yeah man, that's not supposed to be there, as we all know. And if you come around to the back, this other nice pretty hole. Yes man, this is not supposed to be in there. Well, let me see if I can show up at the top. Yeah people, we are not supposed to be able to do this. Not supposed to be able to do that. I'm still cylinder lean out, saying everything freeze and break, and that is the end result. But don't worry about it. We have works in the pipeline because it happened today. It happened literally maybe an hour ago. I'm gonna pull it down already to see what is up. Well, I don't know, I'm sure they head to. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so as you can see right here, well that's a valve. That's the major stuff too. Let's lose a valve right here. So I'm gonna send it to a pressure test. Make sure that's the only thing that's wrong with it so far, and then we can move on from there. But yeah, that's a valve. I'm gonna leak test these and see what else is wrong, and then send the head to the test, and then we can know from there. But that is just the base of everything. Everything else, all the cylinders seem alright. Oh, another surprise. Yeah, this is the oil filter. Don't ask why it happened. Don't ask why it happened. Show the pieces are blocked up. Yeah, see some pieces here. So, yeah, that's what when car lean out and nitrous are working, you know? So, don't worry about it still. We'll forward bigger and better next time. Let's give it some weeks. So at this point now, certain things you have to look on as a blessing because other day I don't worry about content, and now I have content. So I'm gonna walk you through the pulling down process. Well, the rest of the pulling down, the building, rebuilding with the great Rastaman, and then you know dying on there and see him over there. The great Rastaman, and then here's the something going, and leave the itching just forward same time. Just pick him up and go forward to pull it down, so we know what is what. So from here on out is finish pull down, back get the parts so we need, rebuild, and back to the dyno. So you can look for more out of it. So I'm clearing through the process for you, alright?
Where's the ship?
Yo, we know it's not just for the work. No, we know you never see shift. You never see a mashup like that. You never. And the grudging pin bend.
And the what Ben Rasta? Where's the Ben Rastaman? Rastaman, where's the Ben? Where's the
Nitrous on which road? Some place or another.
Mash up the whole piston coming on the right, the left back in and we see it there. Mash up in and then see the right coming out. And then broke off here in the right. You see that? So piston this way mash up.
Yeah, sure. Freeze it, freeze and bust, man. Yeah, people, so spaceship radar go off. I want to have a radar now. Yeah, radar go off and someone is up here to nowhere, so. Yeah.
I'm a bad man friend, shaking my go live that. Yeah, tell you, my wet road.
Injector wire jump off. Injector wire jump off. I post the video went up. So video there, you know, I video for that.
At least them to say YCP and stock business, because some people go like,
That's just good, man. That's a wire jump off, you know. Oh, tight.
so then you never strap them up in a block. What's the man? So signal cost $10 can cost an engine number. Tie strap. One tie strap.
Did I click down?
You just push down.
So when we see that one, then I'm going to check the next one.
This is the time one of the same thing. I tell you one French body here, you know. I mean, no, if I buy a tie shop, I'll know, you know. Bang it here, man.
Let's talk about what happened today. So we're doing a vlog with franchise EK3. Doing a test, I did some all motor pulls, everything was fine. But then we attempted to do a nitrous pull. So while doing the nitrous pull, the injector wire came off the injector unknowing, so you don't know the cylinder lean out. So big boom. Yeah, big boom happened. But it's nothing to be, I know many persons probably be upset about it, honestly, because a lot of persons reach out to me while the car was in its prime doing what it's doing, you know, preserve the engine, stuff like that. But end of the day, I was actually thinking that I needed more content because I wasn't sure if the content I'm putting out is good enough and stuff like that. So I was saying to myself and to others that I needed some more content. So now we're at a place, because I'm taking everyone on a journey with me. So we're at a place now that we can build together, because I had wanted to, I wasn't thinking back then to do a YouTube channel where everyone could see the build process from the beginning. So we're at the stage now, we can walk you through the build. So we're not finished with the pull down because we have more stuff to take out. We only took the head off today just to see how bad the damage was, and it wasn't that bad as we thought it was. So we're going to take you guys through the pull down process, through the machine work process, all of that, getting back the new parts and the dialing of the cams, fitting up of the engine and stuff like that. So I'm going to take you through the entire process so you guys can see what it takes to build a car like this. So just stay tuned with me. Trust me, don't be upset. I am not. I really am not. This is the first time something like this has happened to me. So everything's an experience. So take it from me. Yeah, be very meticulous in what you do with the builds. The slightest of things, because basically a $10 tie strap could have now saved me over $100,000 in building an engine. Just one tie strap, or something as that could have firm more, get the injector more firm with the cover. Yeah, that's one of that could have saved me an engine. So just follow the build, because now we're going to do a build that will be better than the previous one, trust me, because the parts are basically already assembled. We just need to do some clearing up by tomorrow. So with the machine shop and stuff, the parts are already here. So hopefully by the coming weeks, if not by next week, we can start assembly of the new engine. So let's follow us on the journey, people. So until next time, you don't know.
Down music.